is for you to get small businesses to pay you to do their social media marketing. They'll pay you because these old people that own businesses, they know how to run business, but don't know anything about Instagram, Snapchat, email marketing. So I created a course. I'm gonna put a link. Click the link below. It might be above or somewhere up here. Click it. I got a free presentation that you can sign up for. It's quick and easy. It'll explain to you, that especially if you're starting out and you've never had your own business, you don't know what to do, you feel overwhelmed. Trust me.
My name's Casey Adams, 17 years old, and I got into a social media program about a year and a half ago. Wasn't making money. Now we're doing around 20, 25K a month, depending on the certain month.
We have a single mom here. My mom was a single mom. You've got how many children?
3 children.
And you're doing marketing agency?
Yep, I'm a marketing agency making $12,000 a month. I'm also a nurse with an MBA, which now I'm making more than I did before. And I'm able to be
something
home
different so I can spend some time home with my kids. I'm the mother of 3 kids. I'm a single mother at that. And I decided that this was something that would potentially change my lifestyle. I can be home and work. Took the course, and within about 90 days, I was bringing in about $5,000 a month. And just to make a whole long story short, in about 7 months, I was hitting 6 figures. My goal for the next year is to build my company, hopefully into a 7-figure company. But yeah, that's my story. I love it. I'm happy. I'm home. I'm with my kids. It just feels good to be in a new family.
Guys, I'm Leo. I am in Ty's social media agency, and last year I was making $0 at this time. Maybe two and a half. Anyways, now I'm making 15.5 a month.
Awesome.
And yeah.
Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
Hey guys, my name is Leo Lesnikovsky, and I'm 18. I'm grateful for Ty's programs, and it really changed my life. Make sure that you guys definitely follow it. If you don't, you're losing money. Dude, this is freaking sick, man. But anyways, dude, if you're not in Ty's programs, man, you are playing.
Hey, I'm Kyle Robbins.
Alex Griejo.
And we're in Ty's social media marketing agency program. We got in 15 months ago.
Right.
We didn't make a penny online before that. And how much are we doing this month?
22K for the last 3 months consecutively.
Congratulations, that's good.
Bliss Kirchner. I'm a 21-year-old digital advertising agency owner, and I also dropped out of school to start my company. I joined Ty's smma program, and 2 years ago I was making about $2,000 a month. Now my agency makes anywhere from $25,000 to $27,000 per month consistently.
Good.
Yeah.
Are you also beating your parents?
Yeah, absolutely.
Is your dad pissed?
No, he's proud.
That's good. That's a good response.
Yeah.
Proud. Some parents get pissed.